Hey guys, Bird here, and welcome back to the channel. I am back to the Columbia, Maryland flagship store. I have a lot to share with you guys about what is really happening with the liquidation and what they are not telling us. So let's head in and take a look around first. Let's check out the signage on the door. So there is still a 2-yard cut on most fabric, 3-yard cut on decor fabric. If you want 30% off, they are encouraging you to join their team. They are also saying that they're emptying their warehouses and new merchandise arriving daily. Let's take a peek. As soon as I walk in, the first thing that I see is a ton of Easter related things. Now, this is a really big store that was renovated just a couple years ago. Oh, look at that. A pickleball set in Joann's. That is crazy. And it's not like it's a fabulous pickleball set and it's $25. It's cute, but that is crazy that that's the first kind. These are the kinds of things that you see as soon as you walk into the store. So some areas are really truly starting to look like things are clearing out. Here's some Christmas trims, kinds of things, 70% off. They have blankets, so little throws, couch blankets, $25. This feels more like a home goods to me right now. And then as you go over to the fabric, again, I am shocked that the cotton is still only 20% off. That makes no sense to me. When you see these bolts that are still in plastic, this is a telltale sign that truly they are emptying out their warehouses. So there's lots of fabric, full bolts of fabric. But again, and I would probably pick up some of this, but not at only 20% off. So if I look at the bolt, it's upside down, but it's $12.99. And you're only going to get 20% off of that. And certainly when Joann's was still in business, you already know you would be getting cotton at a much better price. So here's the shirting. Again, wow, lots of new fabric on the floor here. And this shirting fabric actually looks like pretty decent quality fabric. I don't think I even saw this in Joann's prior to them going out of business. $12.99, and this is 40% off. So if it really is good quality shirting fabric, that may be getting to sort of kind of a good price range. This is chambray, $22 a yard. It looks really great, but again, it's, you already can tell, do the math and see what you're going to be paying for it. So I opened up this chambray just so I could feel the quality of the fabric, and it really is a decent quality of fabric. All of it is, this is made in India, and this particular fabric, which is a peacoat cotton, also feels really great, $16.99 a yard. This one is made in China. If you don't have a really big stash, maybe you will want to come out and start picking up a couple items, because any new fabric coming in from China, you're going to be looking at almost 100% increase in the cost of the fabric. I don't know yet. I haven't seen anything that's completely striking my taste or interest, I should say, that I want to run out and buy it. I want to pick it up right away. But I wanted to give you guys a good idea of where things are right now with fabric. With the former liquidation, everything was a certain percent off, whether it was 30 or 40 or 50% off. Here, you have to kind of walk through and find the different items that are on sale. So silky solids, for instance, are 50% off. And what I've noticed is that the items that sell quickly are only 20% or 30% off. Probably silky solids were not moving very quickly, and so you see that those fabrics are a lot more expensive. Special occasion fabric, 60% off. Again, probably not moving very quickly. Bridal fabric, 60% off. This is really pretty. So it's $30 a yard, and you're going to get that for $15 a yard. 3D fabric. I don't know. So I think some of the prices are a little bit better. Let me just say that I'm a little bit surprised. So the knit solids are 50% off. This particular store has a lot of fabric still bundled up brand new. So this knit solid is $15 a yard. And so you're going to pay $7.50 because it's 50% off. And then they have a number of knit prints. Those are only 40% off. Specialty cottons, soft and minky fabric, 50% off. Outdoor fabric, 60% off. So I am starting to see some better discounts for the first time. Denim fabric, this has not changed at all. It's still only 20% off. Is this Lucky brand? No, it doesn't look like it's Lucky brand, but so they have some new fabric that's been placed out as well, but you're only going to be paying, what you're going to pay, you're only going to get a 20% discount. This is cute. I don't know how long it will last, but again, with the tariffs in place, if you don't have a big stash, you may want to come and take a little look. And this really is a decent store with lots of options available. But if you have a good stash, I would say wait. I'm not one of those people that I like to just have 1 or 2 lifetimes of fabric hanging around the house. Then the fleece section, 50% off. I think there's a deep discount here because fleece really isn't moving. And there are some that are quite pretty. Fleece isn't really my thing, but I have heard from a lot of folks on the channel here that they've been using fleece for coats, whether it's to line the coat or the exterior of the coat. I don't know how well it actually washes. That's pretty too. So they have some pretty pieces of, this is actually faux fur, and that's 50% off as well. And it's 50% off of $50, if you can see that. So you're talking about $25 a yard. More fleece. More fleece. This is Eddie Bauer fleece, 50% off. And what are they asking for this? If I can see it. The Eddie Bauer fleece is $18 a yard. So you're going to get that for $9. Lots and lots of fleece. They really went overboard on the fleece. Quite a bit of this also still wrapped up, that it's a complete bolt available. All of that is fleece. Getting to the cottons, again, only 20% off. And the cottons is where I would really pick up, because it's always nice to have different colors of cotton available. I like it as a pop of color in the back of my shirt collar or on cuffs for pocket linings, but it's only 20% off. Interfacing is starting to look really picked through, and I think the interfacing is 20% off, but it's kind of hit or miss. Quilters cotton, 20% off. All right, let's keep walking through. They have some sewing machines. I'll take you over to take a look at that too. Licensed fabric, 50% off. And so the licensed fabric is $12.99. This particular one is, so you're going to get it at $6 a yard. So I think in some cases, the prices are coming down. Now, the holiday licensed fabric is 60% off, but it's only a little bit of it. Still shocked about the cotton. Tools, looking a little bit thin. They have some rulers and things like that, but it's looking pretty thin here. I don't think I'm going to buy anything now, but I might come back next week, and I might pick up some things next week. see where the prices are at that particular point. I don't feel rushed to buy anything now because there's still plenty of fabric here. They have elastic and stuff here, guys. And what is the elastic? 25% off. I'm not sure that that's a great deal for elastic, but they have elastic, they have Velcro. Definitely seeing more things here than I did in my other two local stores. I will try to talk to some folks to find out whether or not they have gotten additional deliveries in. All right, so the trims, that's looking pretty empty. Snaps and things like that. The buttons are looking a little bit empty. Here's some yarn if you're interested in yarn. Lots of yarn. More yarn. Their yarn wall. And when I was here before, this yarn section in the middle part, the yarn section had looked pretty empty. So I will tell you, they have restocked this. And the yarn is now 30% off. You can let me know if that is a good deal. I don't do any knitting or crocheting, so I don't know. But they have restocked this area. Look at how gorgeous it is. This doesn't look like the store is closing at all. Now, the last time I was here, the thread section was pretty much completely gutted. They've restocked this. So at 40% off, which isn't a bad deal on thread. Now, most of this is Coats and Clark thread. Let's see, there's sulky thread. I usually use Gutermann, and I'm not seeing really much in the way of Gutermann thread. There's a little bit here. But yeah, they have restocked this area. The Gutermann thread is pretty much done. That area is completely empty. And then they have a bunch of sewing machines. So lots of sewing machines, but they're only still giving you 50% off. So for pretty much these are entry level. These are not even computerized. So just the entry level machines are, you're still going to be paying over $200. I personally wouldn't recommend running out to buy one of these at that particular price. Zippers, y'all. Okay. They have restocked this as well. So I guess that's another reason they haven't really been so eager to drop prices, because they have so much that they are going to unload from their warehouses. But there's a ton of zippers here. Mostly regular zippers, invisible zippers, some sports and bag zippers. Zippers are 40% off. So let me tell you what that means. So these zippers are like $6. So you're gonna pay $2.50 or something if my math is right. So I get a lot of my zippers from Wag, and the price is always right. So I'm not running to buy any zippers there. There's a ton of these craft lights here. $49. I don't see. Okay, here's an additional price off. So you will be paying $179 for these lights. Again, I don't know about that and can't tell you whether or not that is a great deal. These are cute. They even have little Moscow Mule cups. Really, Joann? Where did you guys get this stuff from? Cutlery. Unbelievable. Cutting boards. I cannot believe that I'm in Joann's. When I go in these particular aisles, I tell you, it just feels again like I'm in Home Goods or Burlington or something like that. Tons of candles. I want to give you a general idea of just how massive this store is. I'm kind of toward the back of the store, and I would say that 2/3 of the store is non-fabric related items. So crafts, home goods related, home goods kinds of things, drinkware, very odd. Very interesting. Completely cake making items, So 50% off of these things. So this is getting close to like what you would pay almost every day at a Michael's. But I'm going to come back next week and I may do a little bit of cleaning up on things in the fabric area, but also in some of the other general areas since the prices are starting to drop a little bit. The jewelry making section, some of the beads, 70% off, and they have quite a bit of it. But you have to really take a look at it because some things are only 30% off. Those are 70. And then they have another section over here that is 50% off. So lots of jewelry, but what I've heard is that the jewelry stock wasn't really moving very quickly. And so those prices, they dropped kind of early on, not only here, but in other places around the country. So that's it, guys. This liquidation game is very different than any that I've ever seen. They definitely are stretching it out. I'm going to be honest, I think they're milking it a little bit, but I'm early here today, so there's really no one here shopping. I also wanted to take a look and see if I can find the patterns and see how much the patterns are right now. Here's the pattern section. Look how bright and airy it is. Before I get into the patterns, just let me tell you that there are probably 10 or so employees here that I did not, obviously, out of respect, put them on camera, but they are unloading boxes and boxes of things. So if you're in the Columbia area, you may want to come take a little look. I am personally going to wait just a little bit longer. And then how much are the patterns? So the patterns are all still 50% off right now. These are the Nomi patterns. This store is really well organized. And then you can see the pricing on the fixtures. So they're selling this for $120. Now, if I had the spacing for the patterns, one of these cabinets, now that would be pretty dope. I don't have that kind of space in my house to add that, but that would be pretty dope. And this is one entire unit, so that's pretty big. And I don't see a price on this, but I would guess that that's pretty big. And it's connected to the traditional little space here. I don't have that kind of space. So that's where we are right now, guys. I promise to keep you updated. If you have enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you'll know the next time that I do an update. I'll definitely keep you posted. I am going to wait maybe another week before I'm ready to pull out my cash or credit card. I'm not quite there yet, and I'm really encouraged that they're still pulling things out of boxes so I don't feel this urge to buy a bunch of things at this current price. Take care for now. Feel free to drop any comments or questions that you have. If you have a particular thing that you want me to take a look at next time that I'm in the Joann's, please feel comfortable dropping those questions. I appreciate you guys so much, and bye-bye for now.